10 ways to stay positive, because you have the power to make every day more pleasant and productive with the right attitude. So let's get started. Number 1, simply smile. A smile has great powers to boost your mood as well as lift the spirit of others. Number 2, breathe deeply. Relieve tension quickly by taking 5 slow, deep breaths. And then tackle the next task feeling calm and refreshed. 3, have a laugh. Keep up your good humor by watching upbeat movies and sharing jokes with others. 4, get moving. Do a few stretches or take a short walk. Try to exercise every day to help keep the stress away. 5, reward yourself. Devote some time each day to a hobby, listening to music, reading, or some other activity that you look forward to. 6, pay it forward. Do something nice for someone. 7, rest easy. Get plenty of sleep every night to recharge your batteries. Number 8, feel proud. Take pride in your work and know that what you do, it makes a difference. 9, show the way. Be a role model for others by demonstrating a positive attitude. Your enthusiasm will spread, brightening everyone's day. 10, count your blessings. Keep things in perspective and focus on the good things in your life. This has been 10 Ways to Stay Positive by Life with KT. And remember, you have the power to make every day more pleasant and productive with the right attitude. Like, subscribe, and share. And thanks for watching.